So how do we maintain our starter when we're not going to use it for a long time? So earlier this year, I was traveling and I did not use my starter for probably 2 months or more. So what I did was I gave it a good feeding. I used, in this case, 50% whole wheat, 50% white flour, and put about 50 grams in, and I put this in the fridge. Put the lid on loosely, put it in the fridge, and that was it. Now, if I'm not going to use my starter for 2 or 3 months and I'm here, then after 2 or 3 weeks, I'll discard a bit, refeed it, put it back in the fridge. But in this instance, I did not get anywhere near this for a long period of time. So in that instance, you come back and it'll look kind of frightening. As long as there's no mold in the jar, if there is, you need to discard it and start from scratch. But if there is no mold in the jar, which in my case there was not, then I give it a good stir and give it a feeding, and then do it every day for the next 4 or 5 days to bring it back, discard, feed, and that would be 30 grams of water, 30 grams of flour, and 30 grams of residual starter each day. And I move it into a clean jar, and you can get your starter back to life after a long period of time.